Hi friends, welcome to 21 CFR Part 11. Today we will be discussing about one of the key compliance factor, that is GAMP5. GAMP, nothing but the good automated manufacturing practices. Those who are watching this channel on YouTube, we would like to request you that please subscribe our YouTube channel, and those who are watching this video on Facebook, we would like to request them that hit the like button of our page to follow and get the more updates. So now let's get started with key factor, that is GAMP5. In this video, we are going to see first of all the GAMP organization and its objectives. Secondly, we are going to see the GAMP evolution. Thirdly, we are going to see the GAMP categories with validation approach and example. And lastly, we are going to see how should be the validation approach for GAMP. Now talking about the GAMP organization and its objective. The GAMP organization consists of a GAMP forum which has 3 layers. The first layer consists of the industry board and the GAMP council. Here is where the ISP, that is International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering, resides. The second layer consists of the European and the American Steering Committee. And the third layer consists of SIG. Talking about the GAMP objective, GAMP aims at patient safety, product quality and data integrity. We must understand that GAMP is not a prescriptive standard. It is all about the life cycle activities and its associated document which needs to be compiled as per the risk, complexity and the novelty. GAMP guidance aims to have a computerized system which is fit for the intended use. Now talking about the GAMP evolution, the picture in front of you clearly describes about the GAMP evolution, which started with a draft guidance document. In 1994 there was a GAMP volume 1. In 1996 there was GAMP volume 2. In 1998 there was GAMP volume 3. 2001 there was GAMP volume 4. Then there was GAMP Good Practices Guide, and now in 2008 onwards we have GAMP volume 5. In the third section, we are going to see the GAMP5 categories, its validation approach and example. The category 1 consists of the operating system or the infrastructure software. The category 2 consists of the firmware. This category was in GAMP4, but now in GAMP5 it has been omitted. It has not been included in the GAMP5 as a category 2 because this the firmware gets indirectly challenged when we are testing or validating the software. So this category has been completely removed from the GAMP5. Now if we talk about category 3, the category 3 consists of the non-configurable systems of the software. The category 4 consists of the configurable software or the systems, and the last but not the least, the category 5 consists of the custom built softwares or the systems or the application. So these are the 5 categories. In GAMP5 category 1, that is operating system or the infrastructure software, the validation approach must include the following things. First one is nothing but recording the version number. Second one is verifying the correct installation. The third one is carrying out the risk assessment. The examples of GAMP5 category 1 are the calculators, operating system, that is Windows, the Word and the Excel. Now let us see such validation approach and examples of other categories of the GAMP5. Now talking about category 2, as you can clearly see in my text, I have written GAMP4 category 2. That means this category is not included in GAMP5. The reason I have already told you in my video earlier, that these firmwares get challenged indirectly when you are validating a software. So this has been removed from the GAMP5. If it is a standard firmware, then it falls under category 2, and if it is a customized firmware, then it will fall under category 5. Some of the examples are nothing but the microcontrollers, the PID controllers, and there are balances and the pH meters, and barcode is one of the example, barcode scanner. So these are the instruments which are having the firmware and which falls under GAMP4 category 2. Now talking about GAMP5 category 3, that is non-configured system or the standard software, the validation approach is as follows. There must be a clear URS that is user requirement specification. There must be a risk-based test against these requirements. One must have procedural controls along with the technical controls, and the examples are the titration processor and polarimeter. The GAMP5 category 4 includes the configurable system. The examples are LIMS, ERP, SCADA, and user-specific application. The validation approach must be that you must have a risk-based approach at the supplier end. Then you must have a complete lifecycle approach. Then you must have all the procedure in place to manage the data. Some more examples are the electronic data management system, that is EDMS, then manufacturing electronic systems, and electronic laboratory notebook. Now talking about GAMP5 category 5, that is customized system. This system includes the custom built or the bespoke system. Now how should be the validation approach of this system? First of all, clear all the differences between the system and the process owner. Now who is the system owner? It is your IT. Who is the process owner? It is your actual user. Now after clearing the difference, you must validate only if there could be any impact on the patient safety, data integrity, and product quality. Some of the examples of these customized systems are the complex systems or the software with various layers of applications or software. So these are the categories which falls under customized system. Now let us see how should be our planning approach for the GAMP5. As my text displays, planning should cover all the required activities, responsibilities, procedures, and timeline. Instead of having a multi-site approach, you must concentrate to one site. I repeat, to one site, and from that site, you must concentrate on a department or an area, and from that department or area, you must concentrate on the system to have a clear planning. So that is all about the GAMP5. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. For more such updates, keep following us on Facebook and YouTube. We are also having our presence in LinkedIn. If you are an active user of LinkedIn, you can follow us. Thank you all of you for your patience and time. Goodbye.